All right, y'all, this is Melvin once again. Now I'm on the back slope here in Cartersville for John and Bert for the homeowner Bob. So I'm on the back slope. I'm gonna be doing this particular shingle right here. As we see that we have the wind crease right here on this one. So we're starting with that. Gonna be an ATR on the back. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. What'll be affected right here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Once again, we got some mat transfer there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Same mat transfer. More mat transfer. All right. Hopefully this is a lot quicker than the front. A little ripping right here, y'all can see. Right there. Also, we caught a little mat transfer right here, trying to get this one unsealed. Right in there. And we got some tearing shingle right here. Just y'all to see that. See if we can check this guy out. All right, so here's the damaged shingle. Let that stay over there. And point out a couple things. Starting to get some creasing right in there. See that, those creases. Starting to get a little creasing right in here as well. See that granule fall. And then also I wanted to point out that we had some ripping to this particular shingle. I don't know if y'all can see that back there, but now we're gonna go ahead and get started with the new install. All right. Roof snake, once again, only gonna lift the shingle as far as the roof snake will allow. Come on now, get in here. All right, so we got some creasing right here. So I'm gonna put an F. Got creasing right here. Put an F. And then we already documented we got some creasing right here as well. And then we already documented the mat transfer and all of that. So on and so forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and put another F for this one in total on the back slope.